Alright guys, so excuse the massive mess in my garage, but this is the old clutch I pulled off. This side wasn't actually that bad, but you can see it was starting to get a little bit glazed, but this side literally just like exploded somehow. Like it was just chunks, just toast. But yeah, this pressure plate actually has a couple of cracks in it. Yeah, so kind of glad I'm replacing everything. You can see all the all this clutch from it exploding. Jesus, you can see all the hot spots and stuff. It's pretty toasty. Now I don't know how long this clutch was in the car before I got the car. But yeah, I'm sure that boosting it did not help the situation. But got the new clutch and flywheel and pressure plate on, and I'm actually just about to torque the pressure plate bolts. And, yeah. So there she goes. I'm gonna pull off the bell housing from the transmission and clean all that out real quick because it's disgusting. But yeah, I don't know how, but my clutch got delivered on a Sunday, which is crazy because I'm pretty sure mail isn't supposed to come on Sundays. But alright, sweet. Alright guys, so I did end up getting the clutch in the car yesterday, and I've actually already drove the car. Let's see, it actually engages a lot closer to the floor than I had expected, but it is a stage 3 compared to like a stage 1. But yeah, the grab is really nice, but obviously I'm putting in the miles to get it broken in properly. I actually went ahead earlier today and I redid my seat harnesses and put them actually around the bar instead of to the back seat. And right now I'm actually working on lowering the car just a little bit. So yeah guys, so I did finish lowering the car. You can tell it's quite a bit lower than it was before. Before you could see about up to here on the tire. So you know, probably lowered about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Good. But yeah, I also did show you guys that I got my headlights tinted from my buddy, and they look awesome. Yeah, we're about to head out and go for a little drifting time. I'm personally not gonna drift because my clutch is brand new and I don't have extra tires, but I'm gonna go hang out with some of the bros and have a good time. forget to press the clutch?
Turn it off. I was like, what the fuck? That's why he's fucking holding.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, because you got close to that curb.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna get close to that.
Saw that flame? Alright guys, so we're all about to start packing up and head out. It's getting late, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Hey, we're gonna go hit